Hello students, hope you all are safe and healthy. I am computer teacher. My name is Nidhi and today we are going to start our new lesson. I am very excited to teach you. Hello students, hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Last year we have learnt about computers and its parts. Now, in this lesson, we just revise once what we have learnt in last year. Today we are going to learn about first lesson, that is computer, a smart machine. We see many things around us. Some of them are man-made like car, TV, fan, etc. while others are natural like trees, sun, birds, animal, etc. Do you know what is a machine? This is a TV. It is a machine. It uses electricity to work. We use TV to watch cartoons and movies. This is a refrigerator and this is also a machine. It also uses electricity to work. And we use refrigerator to keep our food fresh and cold. Now students, what is this? This is a washing machine. Why we use washing machine? To wash our dirty clothes, right? And it also works with the help of electricity. Now students, this is a bicycle and this is also machine, but there is a twist. It uses manpower to work. We use bicycle to go to places which are not very far. This is a plane. It is a machine. It uses fuel like petrol or diesel to work. It carries passengers from one place to another. In this way, machines help us in many different ways. And with the help of these machines, we can work quickly. And these are more comfortable in our life. Why it is more comfortable? Because it works fast. And this machine does not work on their own. They need energy or power to work. Some machines uses the power of electricity and some machines uses petrol and some machines needs manpower to work. Among all these machines, one thing common that each one can be used to do a particular task. And which machine is this? That is computer. Why this is smart machine? Because it can do many different types of work for us. Just like other machines, computer also run on electricity. Do you know why we called it a smart machine? Because of its special qualities. Why we called smart machine to a computer? Because of its special qualities. Now what can computer do? It can store lots of information. And it can do many types of jobs and it works very fast and it never get tired. And this computer make our work easier, right? It makes our work easier and it never makes any mistakes. Computers are available in different sizes. Some computers are big, some are small, some are medium size. Now let us learn about types of computers. We are learning first desktop computer. This computer is kept on the desk and it also works with the help of electricity. And this type of computer are used in home, offices or at school, and they are also known as personal computer. Now students will learn about laptop computer. Have you seen the laptop? Laptop is lighter and smaller in size than the desktop computer, and it looks like a briefcase. It can be easily carried from one place to another. It also works on the battery. Tablet computer. It is smaller than laptop computer and it works in simple by touching the screen, and we can carry tablet computer while traveling, and it also works on the battery. Now students, this is your favorite one. You love to play in mobile, right? And you love to download the apps, right? And this is a smartphone with many features. Why we use smartphone? To make a call and to play games, or we can draw pictures with the help of any app. Now what we have learned? We have learned that machines run on electricity. Some machines are TV, fridge, washing machine, fan, etc., which are man-made machines. And by nature, what are by nature? Sun, moon, star, mountain. These are given by the nature. And what are the types of computer? Desktop, laptop, tablet, smartphone. These are the types of computer. Now key terms. Machine. It is a man-made thing. It makes our work easier and faster. Computer. It is a machine which runs on electricity. PC. PC means it is a personal computer. Laptop. Laptop means a portable computer which we can carry from one place to another, and it also runs on battery. Thank you, children.